The official name of Singapore is the Republic of Singapore. It is a very small island with an area of 721 square kilometer. It is smaller than a Delhi also. Being a country, Singapore is a city as well as an island with no capital. It lies in Southeast Asia. Malaysia and Indonesia are its neighboring countries. People speak Malay language in Singapore. It is a mixed religion country where 34% people are of Buddhist religion. Singapore's currency is Singapore dollars, and for 1 Singapore dollar you need to give around 55 rupees. Singapore's population is around 56 lakhs, but according to its area, its population is very high. But Singapore has roads with very less traffic because a permit is required in order to drive cars on the road. For this permit, an amount of 35 to 40 lakhs is required to be spent. There are too many direct flights from India to Singapore. The round trip flight of Singapore from Delhi costs Rs 20,000. It takes around 6 hours to reach Singapore from Delhi. The name of Singapore's airport is the Singapore Changi International Airport. For this you require a tourist visa and you can apply for the tourist visa on the displayed site. Tourist visa will cost you around 30 Singapore dollars, which means approximately 1650 rupees. Singapore is very popular among tourists and many Indians visit here. The most popular place loved by tourists is the Gardens by the Bay. You can find a lot of observatories in Gardens by the Bay. If you want to cover the whole garden, it will cost you around 3500 to 4000 rupees. The second loved tourist place is the Universal Studios. You will enjoy a lot here. Here you can enjoy the roller coaster, shows and do shopping along with the food. Enjoying here needs a reasonable budget because the price of entry ticket is only 81 Singapore dollars, which means 4500 rupees. Wherever you search about Singapore, you will find this statue. This statue is known by Merlion, which is made by mixing half lion and half fish. It is made on a very beautiful place. Clicking pictures here symbolizes that we are traveling Singapore. Near the statue is the Singapore Flyer. If you sit in the flyer, it shows us the whole view of Singapore. Entry ticket of this flyer will cost you around 33 Singapore dollars, approximately 1800 rupees. If you have money, you can make your night special by having dinner in Singapore Flyer. For 2 persons, it will cost you around 18,000 rupees. Except these places, you can also visit Marine Life Park and Sea Aquarium. It will cost you around 41 Singapore dollars, approximately 2250 rupees. All these tourist places are near the Marina Bay only. Now we will move to 5 best foods of Singapore. Singapore has a big range of ethnic foods available. As a tourist, you can try this list of 5 foods. The first dish is the bak kut teh. This dish is popular throughout Malaysia and Singapore. When you eat bak kut teh, you need to wash it down with the hot Chinese tea. The second dish is the char kway teow. It is a dish of flat white rice noodles made with stir-fried with egg and a sauce of dark soya sauce. It is a well-loved street food. The third dish is chicken rice. It is Singapore's national dish, although it is a combination of boiled chicken and flavored rice with sauce. Fourth dish is the wonton mee. It is one of the popular Chinese dishes. It is prepared with yellow egg noodles, wonton dumplings and a mix of char siu pork. The last dish is the kaya toast and soft boiled eggs. It is Singapore's traditional breakfast. It is accompanied by 2 soft boiled eggs with yolks and translucent whites. Now let's move to best and cheap hotels. The first hotel is the Traveller at the SC Hotel. It starts from 10 Singapore dollars. The second best hotel is the Green Lily Backpackers. It starts from cost of 15 Singapore dollars. The third hotel is the Galaxy Porch, which costs around 25 Singapore dollars. The fourth best hotel is the Backpackers Inn. It starts from about 27 Singapore dollars. The fifth hotel is the Diamond Hotel. It starts from 30 Singapore dollars. The sixth hotel is Emrise Hotel. It starts from 35 Singapore dollars. The seventh hotel is the Budget One Hotel. It starts from about 40 Singapore dollars. The eighth hotel is Darlene Hotel. It starts from about 42 Singapore dollars. The ninth hotel is the Elival Park Hotel and it costs around 45 Singapore dollars. The 10th and the last hotel is Hotel 81 Cozy. It costs you around 50 Singapore dollars. Thank you.